Veena, yes, what have you discussed in your today's room?
In today's breakout room, we talked about how optimistic we are and how can we be optimistic every time, like in any situation in the life, we have to think positive. These are the things which we discussed in our room.
Okay. What about you, MDKF? KF, are you there?
Yes, yes.
Okay. What have we discussed in the breakout room?
We discussed
You
about
got disconnected then?
optimism. Yes,
Yeah, continue. Continue.
we discussed about optimism and how to go through different kind of situations in our life.
Okay. Yes, Kamal, what do you think about the optimism?
Yeah, we discussed in two big breakout rooms. So that's what we discussed. Like, optimism is more like a state of mind, how we look at situation, how we deal with situations. And of course, the opposite is being pessimist. And being pessimist is again a state of mind. I mean, we can choose between the two. And at times we are pessimistic, at times we are optimistic. And when their circumstances are not in favor, maybe for a split second we become pessimist, and then if we have courage, we can easily turn ourselves into being optimistic. So it is always a balance, and we have that capacity to change our attitude from being pessimistic to optimistic. And then there are situations wherein people share that despite whatever they went through, they were always optimistic, which is a very good sign. And we also discussed like the how to make a pessimistic person optimistic through affirmations, through counseling, and through discussion, or through just listening through them. So that's pretty much what we had discussed.
Okay, Visha, what's the thought about this? Like in our minds, there are many thoughts that comes in our mind in day-to-day life. How you deal with that? Like with both positive and the negative thoughts.
I beg your
Yes,
pardon.
Amisha.
Your voice were not clear.
Okay. So how we deal with the positive and negative thoughts? Like every time people can't think of a positive thought, right? Negative thoughts automatically comes in your mind. So how you deal with that?
First of all, every person have to accept the situation in that he is or she is. Otherwise, he or she will not be able to overcome that. We have to understand and we have to feel okay about how we are feeling. Then only any person can act after that, and after that we can calm ourselves by positive affirmations or talking to a loved one and spending time and just believing in ourselves that okay, we can be in a good situation after this.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, Yuvraj, what's your thought about it?
Yeah, ma'am. I think that being an optimistic person is very good, because if you are an optimistic person, then it is easier to achieve your goal or achieve anything in your life which you want to achieve. Because if you are an optimistic person, then you will always think in positive side, not in negative side. So that's why it becomes easier.
Okay. So how you control your negative thoughts?
Like if negative thoughts came in my mind, then after that I don't like when that thought went away, then after that I don't realize about that thought.
You try to ignore them.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Ignoring is not a solution, as my point of view. What do you think, Veena, about it?
No, ignoring is not a solution.
Yes.
Like we are just focusing on the problem. We have to just focus. If we focus on the solution, then we can think positive, and we
Yes.
can be optimistic also.
Right. So ignoring is not a solution, Yuvraj. You have to face the problem.
Yuraj, you have to think about the solution. If you have a problem in your life, just think about the solution. Don't think about the problem.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So let's yeah. Okay, fine. So let's vote for the today's best answer. So in the chat box, everyone write two names. After that. Yes, Kamal, you also have to vote. Okay. So, Veena ma'am, you are the winner for the today's best answer. So, congratulations to you.
Thank you, everyone.
Okay, thank you, everyone. Hope to see you all tomorrow again. Good night.